Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to cancel your Hayu subscription. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. I'm going to show you multiple ways how to cancel your subscription. So if you're using a laptop, PC, Android, or an iOS device, all of these methods will work. So the first way is on the website. So log into your Hayu account. Navigate to my account. You can usually find this option in the upper right corner of the screen, and then go to subscription. So look for a subscription details or billing section, and then select cancel subscription, and then follow the prompts to confirm the cancellation. All right, so on mobile devices, this is for iOS and Android. So open the Hayu app and then log in if you haven't done so already. Go to settings. This is usually found by tapping on your profile icon, and navigate to subscription. Find the subscription or billing section, tap cancel subscription. Follow the instructions to confirm your cancellation. And now another way is through the app or Google Play Store. So for iOS, open up settings on your device, tap on your name, Apple ID, select subscriptions, find Hayu and tap on it. Then tap cancel subscription and confirm. And for Android, what you need to do is go to your Play Store, click on your user profile, click into payments and subscriptions, click on subscriptions. And from here, this is where all your subscriptions are found. And then find this subscription called Hayu, click onto it, and then click on cancel. And then after that, make sure to cancel your subscription a few days before the renewal date to avoid being charged for the next period.